And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a framed split screen effect. Let us create a simple split screen effect with these 3 video files. First one is a little bit big, so I go to Sequence Settings, and size it to 1920x1080, click on OK. I have to resize it, so let me go to 10%, I size it down, so double click on it. Let me go to Fit. There's still something to resize, but that's fine. The other 2 files are okay for this sequence size. I'll drag and drop them on top, so I've got 3 video channels for now. I have to unlink one because it has an audio file, so right click on it, unlink, and I delete the audio file. Now I press C for the cut tool and I make them all the same size. Now go to your effects panels, type in crop, and then drag and drop them on all of your video files. So I've got 3, I need it 3 times. You can obviously use more or less, whatever you need. The first one, I want to keep the left hand side, so go to crop. In my effect controls panel, if you can't see that, just go to window, click on effect controls. And I want to go from right to left to crop out the right hand side. The second video file is this one, and I want to keep the right hand side. So I need the left and the cropping and go from left to right by increasing the percentage. In the middle we've got now this night footage, and this is basically the split screen effect, but if we want to have frames in between, we need to adjust the first video channel, which is this night footage. Just click on it, use the cropping once more on the left until you can see the background, which is by default black in Premiere Pro, and do so from the right as well. So 32 and 33 is fine for me in this case. It depends a little bit on the video size and how you size it down, but that looks good. As I've said, it's black by default. If you want to give it a different color, go back to your projects menu, right click, new item, use the color matte. It should have the same size as your sequence. If not, adjust it. Then pick a color, click on OK. Now you've got this color matte file. I've set it to white. Put it on top of your video files to open a 4th video channel. Then reposition it to the right hand side. Select all the other video files, put it on top, and then put the color matte below. And now it's at the bottom, as you can see, and maybe the frame is a little bit too big, so I'll go back to my night footage and readjust the percentage. And this is how I can create a framed split screen effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.